omwana witwa Empundu yamanywa nka Karungi mahara w'omuheereza bitanihirwe omutuura wa Kyamajaka omutawuni kanso ya Muhoro omuri district ya Kagadi. Abatuura nibagira ngu Empundu zishanjire nyina w'omwana ogu omuheereza kunihira ari omu musiri nikwe kumwaka omwana zikatagura enda amaguru n'emikono akafa barikumutwara murago.
In this village, we have a problem of chimpanzees and gorillas which have destroyed our crops, which have killed our children. Many children have been injured. So we are requesting the Uganda Wildlife Authority to come and shift these animals.
So already, as we talk now, one child is already admitted to Kagadi Hospital with deep injuries. So we are calling upon relevant authorities or the Wildlife Authority to come in and intervene.
Crushed with the chimpanzee. By then, I tried highly to see that. I asked for an ambulance. It comes then and they pick the children.
Robert Ochaya orukure by'enyamisho mu kyanga kya Bunyoro nagira ngu abantu biine kwega kutuura n'empundu ahabw'okuba kigumira okuzifuurra.
It is a bit difficult either for war or for the government to translocate all the chimpanzees in this region to another place. It is very expensive because translocating animals, one like a chimps, it may take even like 1 week before even you get one chimps.
James Byamukama owa National Forestry Authority eshiminche abire nabugana habatuuru muri Kagadi enshonga nkeza zejecherire abasisire vera aho enyamisho ziri kutuura.
When people disturb them, they also can organize and get sticks. You disturb them, they go back, they organize, they get sticks, and they come and they hit people on the heads.
Empundu ziri kurenga omuri 10 nizituura omu byaro nk'ekya Kyamajaka, Nyamiti, Karushiga, Kahyoro, Iguruka hamwe n'ahandi kandi abaana 10 nibo bisirwe empundu rero abari kurenga 20 zibahutize. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagabakatoto.